What's up, Williams Family Gang? And today we're back with another video. And so today, basically,
we got Tay,
Taraji, and Noon.
I forgot my name.
And today we're gonna be doing mukbang, really. You got some chips, they be eating on.
We got some strawberry sugar.
Waffle.
We got some cards. We got some index cards.
That's for school. So
we're gonna be playing a game. While we playing this, got index card and you want something to eat.
Yeah, they edible.
We got some frosted flakes. My dad just like
honey
frosted
bun.
flakes. We got some churros.
We got some cinnamon.
And we got a sister back there that's trying to participate, but she not so damn on the haters.
Shut up.
Dab on that girl right now. Dab on her.
I don't feel good.
Go back to sleep then. We talking about we trying to do something and you're doing too much.
Do too much. Okay.
Down. Okay,
So
Mom.
wait. First, but before we start this video, I want to go ahead and do like a thumbnail. So let's see if we can do this. So,
What you mean the thumbnail? What you talking about?
y'all know what a thumbnail is?
I'm idiot.
Okay.
So you ain't no blogger.
For real.
Never said I was.
Wait, I'm making something. Okay. Alright, so let's get to it. So
I
first,
on the phone with my girlfriend. She said she knows.
so the first thing we're gonna try is the
cereal.
No, the salt and vinegar
The
chips.
cereal. Cereal. Why we gonna eat the good stuff first?
This salt and vinegar chips. So.
Why we gonna eat that? First, me put my own stuff for my eyes. That big boy, me not a little baby.
Don't get a lot.
Yeah, we don't need a lot.
Alright.
Take it for mine. Nah, you can turn that in. Never mind, I'm gonna be quiet. Hold on, bro. One is a lot. So these over here. Okay.
Ooh.
So take the chip.
How can they go through that saltiness?
Stop smacking, man.
Look. They too salty. I really don't like salt and vinegar chips.
Okay, we're gonna see these. Over here. Oh, you can eat yours.
Yeah, we're gonna put these over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish eating them. No, you're not. Set up for the end of the
We're gonna
video.
put it, yeah. Alright.
Your fat stuff eating all yours.
Get up.
No, I'm going to him.
Oh,
Think you want to know? We're gonna start for
here.
the end of the video.
Yeah. And what's the next thing? What's the next thing you gonna try? Some cereal. We gonna try these.
I'm gonna try these.
Oh, I just gonna try the
I'm gonna try another chip.
we really don't eat cereal.
Get no more.
So basically gonna try the cinnamon toast.
Yeah, we barely eat these cereal.
So yeah.
Oh, and we did not get them for school. So
What? They got these. My mama bought these at the store. You retardo.
How much mama spent on that?
We got a whole thing on them things. So you better shut the freak.
The what's these, mine?
Oh,
We got some Toast Crunch. Best chips in the world. I'm done with these. I don't like these no more. You like these for us? Thank you, bro.
Put some milk on it.
Thank you, bro. I'll take these.
So yeah.
Gonna get rich. Now we're gonna try honey bun.
Yeah. I got one honey bun. I'm gonna open it. I like my honey buns warmed up. So basically they still good without being warmed up.
But we've been recording for 4 minutes. 4 minutes? Let's try to hit a 6 minutes.
Yeah, we don't want this video to be too long. Here you go. I'm gonna get a little piece.
Well, mine's there.
Okay, ready? Say
Want some? Here. There you go. I'm gonna do a combo.
they good, but like.
Want some more? There you go.
And yo, we are not wasting.
That's disappointing.
We are not wasting food. Period. Like
So we
at,
eating it.
at the end of this video, of course, we're gonna edit and eat this food. We
good.
always edit our videos and eat food. It's the best way to do it.
Now we got Cheerios and frosted flakes.
So we're gonna try the Cheerios first. They fruity Cheerios. I never tasted these in my life.
Yeah, they fruity Cheerios.
So my
Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Yon.nigga.
But yeah, that's gonna be in our intro, so. Okay, come.
White girl, she gonna flip.
No, cause
Like,
we're
that's
not.
wrong.
No, we're not gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah. I'm copyrighting.
Oh my god.
Oh, that little, these bitches look.
We gotta set up cuss words.
That's for what's for me. That's for what's for me.
We're not gonna cut it. It wasn't.
They said they sound like they like Fruit Loops. You ready?
Y'all want to see me at 8? Really good. You want some Cheerios?
It's good.
They just like Fruit Loops.
Oh, thank you, Bo. You give me Fruit Loops?
Yeah, I fat brother over here. He technically not fat,
How about you shut up?
but he actually is. He fat. He childish fat.
I'm a man.
Don't believe
Want to see my muscles?
Why you put up?
that.
Why we didn't use the plate instead of napkins?
Ask her. So I said get a plate and she wasn't gonna get it
I
now.
was too lazy to get it.
It's 6 minutes, bro. After this guy in the video.
Look, we're gonna take like the Frosted Flake face. Like all these cereal that we got, like no, not all of them.
I'm going.
All these cereal that we got, except for the cinnamon toast crunch, are different.
Hey, I want.
Like you like some like all these cereals, but they not. I want some milk.
Me too. We didn't get another drink.
We need some milk.
Walking down the street with my drawers and my
Milk, need some
pants.
milk, please.
Give me a lot.
No.
Right. Oh yeah, you can right there.
Come here, what I do?
If you get us, wait, hold on. Yeah,
Okay, we back.
I need a camera so bad.
Yeah. You guys subscribe and like
My
and
frosted flakes.
share our videos so we can get us a camera.
For real.
A vlog camera.
But we're gonna have like 3 vlog cameras for a prank
Thank you, Bo.
for them, for us. And yeah, me and my sister Saraji, go check our channel out at Carter Twins.
Alright, we gotta end the video.
See, I got a full plate.
Okay.
Yeah, one last thing. Strawberry sugar
She
waffles.
eating those. I'm not eating those.
Well, my stomach hurts, so
Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm too scared. I'm not eating that.
who's that eat that for?
If y'all get us to 1K likes, and I'll do a video with me eating these
So
waffles.
if you get us to 20 likes, we just need 20 plain likes.
When you get us 2 likes. 2. You think you should do 2? 2 likes. I will.
2 or 3 likes, and then I'll eat this. I promise. So, this end this video, and we'll see you on next video. Cause like we can eat this food and edit this video.
That's it for today, Williams family.
So, peace.